Hello, everyone, and welcome to the meet and greet members of the IEEE Control Systems Society in the Healthcare and Medical Systems Technical Committee. Today, we have the special session with Professor Emily Pereira, who I would like to, first of all, thank for accepting my invitation, and I would like to ask you to briefly introduce yourself and your research focus.
Thanks, Sergio. Thanks for having me. It's great to be here. I am a brand new assistant professor at Texas Tech University. And here I'm focused on studying broadly cyber-physical systems, how to monitor, detect, and control for catastrophes. And recently I've been heavily focused on studying the human brain as a dynamical system and how we can control for neurological disease. And so one such neurological disease that I've been intensely focused on is epilepsy, which is characterized by unprovoked seizures in the brain. And my goal is to study real-world human patient data from scalp EEG and intracranial EEG data from a dynamical systems perspective to answer questions about how we can help people with epilepsy. So answering questions about where to place electrodes in the brain to observe the brain, how we can identify the seizure onset zone, which is the location where seizures start in the brain, and also how we can design controllers to actually suppress seizures in the brain using electrical stimulation. And so my approach is grounded in fractional dynamical networks, and this tool helps to capture the inherent long-term memory present in neural activity. And of course, our goal is to help those patients achieve a better quality of life.
I see. So I can see that you are working on a variety of different things. So is there one particular thing that excites you the most about your research?
Well, I have to say it's exciting to work on the brain, studying the brain, some call the final frontier. And being here at Texas Tech is really exciting because we have an amazing team of researchers that I've gotten a chance to know, and I'm excited to have the opportunity to work with including those at the School of Medicine, in the Epilepsy Center, even across campus in the math department and in cognitive sciences. So that to me is really exciting. And what's more is that, being able to work with the students here at Texas Tech who are extremely innovative and just very eager to learn is one of the great delights of this job. So.
Okay, so let me take upon one specific mention to the final frontier. So when it comes to final frontier, what is your end goal? What would be the things that you'd like to be achieved in your research in the long run?
Yeah, so one of the directions that I'm really excited about recently is this idea of using non-invasive ways to stimulate the brain. And one such way that we've seen in the literature and we're investigating in my own research is using cognitive effort, such as answering math questions, spelling questions, and the like, and how we can leverage this to actually regulate the brain. And I believe that this is an exciting direction that has been shown to actually suppress seizures in the brain, and I think it can extend even beyond epilepsy to other neurological diseases, but especially in the mental health field where we see cognitive behavioral therapy being used to treat things like anxiety and depression, and how we can quantify this and regulate the brain to help people who are suffering from such a wide variety of conditions. So this to me is one of the most interesting and exciting directions that I'm just thrilled to be able to work on.
I see. Thank you very much, Emily, for being here with us. And I would like to also thank everybody that is watching our meet and greet. And I hope to get to all of you and inspiring you to do great research in the field of healthcare and medical systems. Please share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below, and looking forward to have you all here with us in the near future. Emily, once again, thank you so much for participating.
Thank you, Sergio.